Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and create Django project on Windows. For this, you have to install Python in your PC. So first of all, we'll download Python. So just go to your favorite browser and type Python. Okay, then click here first link, welcome to python.org, and now hover on it, downloads, and then click here Python 3.14.0. So it will actually start downloading. I already downloaded this. Let me show you. Go to the downloads option here, and here we go. We have Python here. Now double click on this. All right. Now select use admin privilege. Okay. And then add path. Okay. Add python.exe to path. So if you don't select this, what will happen? You have to actually manually select environment variable by typing here env and then by clicking here everything and like this. Okay, so just select all of them. Okay, and then select here custom installation and check everything. Okay, then go for the next and now select install Python 3.14 for all users. Okay, select it and then click here install. It is successful. Now close it and now open cmd from here, cmd. Okay, and run as administrator. Select yes and say here Python -- version, and here you can see current version is 3.14.0. Now we are ready to create our project. So let's go create project. I have only one drive, so I'll go to the C drive. You can go any drive in your PC. Just go there and create a new folder. Let's say I'll say here my Django project. Okay, Django project, and go inside the project and go to the address bar. So this is called address bar. Just type here cmd to open command prompt here, and here we have to write some command. So I have already write them, so let me show you. First of all, we have to create a virtual environment. So to create a virtual environment in Windows, you have to type this. First of all, py for the Python, then -m. Okay, then we have to say venv. This is called virtual environment. Now you have to give any name. Let's say I want to say here test env. Okay, that's it. Now hit enter. There you go. Virtual environment created. Here you can see test env. So we have created virtual environment. Now what I have to do? We have to write this. Okay, so just copy this. Let me show you. First of all, we will go to the cmd. Here you can see, and from here we are going to copy this. So we'll say here my so basically what I have to say, you have to actually, so this is my env because I have actually name here as my env, right? My env. Currently our virtual environment name is test environment, right? So we'll say here test env, then we'll give here backslash, then capital S scripts scripts backslash activate .bat file. Okay, so hit enter, and here you can see now we have created the bat file, right? Test in. Now we have to say what? Here you can see. Now we have to actually install Django. Okay, so to install Django we have to use pipe, and when you install Python in our PC, that time actually pipe is already installed. Let me show you. Here you can see we have another cmd here, right? And we have check Python version. Now if you check here pipe --- version or pip, whatever you say, the version, and here you will find pip or pipe version 25.2, right? So we got the version here. We have pipe here. Now we can actually run commands through pipe. So pipe install Django. Okay, so pipe install Django. Okay, hit enter, and it will actually install Django in this project directory. All right, successfully installed. Now we have to actually say here this line, and there is Django -admin. Don't give here any space, just write Django, then hyphen, then admin, then space, then start project, and now we have to give the project name. Let's say my project. Hit enter. Here we go. We have created Django project, and that is my project. Now you have to actually go to this project, right? My project. Let me show you. Here you can see my project. So you have to go to this project. Either you can go through this CMD, or maybe you can actually go inside here and then open CMD from here. Okay, but we will go from this CMD. Okay, we will say here CD for change directory, and then the directory name, and that is my project. Hit enter. Now you can see we are in my project, right? Now we have to say here this line to run the server. So py for the Python, then manage.py, then run server. So we'll say here py for the Python, then we'll say manage.py, and then we'll say run server. Sorry, it will be serve. It will be server. Sorry. So it will be server, right? Hit enter, and here we go. We have run the server. Now if you copy this, hit enter from your keyboard, and then go to the browser and paste it here. Hit enter, and here you can see we have successfully installed Django, right? So this is the project. Thank you so much for watching.